Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to send large files over the internet across multiple devices in real time without reducing the quality of the file. So first we will install the app Send Anywhere itself, show you how to send file across two Android devices. I will show you how to send file from Android device to computer or laptop. If you have tried sending a large video photo file over WhatsApp or over any other application, it reduces the size of the file, ultimately reducing the quality of the video or photo. I have been using this app Send Anywhere for a while now. As the name suggests, you can send the file really anywhere around the world. It's safe, easy and newbie friendly. I suggest this app to all my friends, family, associates so that I can receive high quality videos over the internet. As you can see, we have already installed the app on an Android phone. You will have to grant access to your storage. Then you can select the video, photo or any file to transfer from one Android phone to the other. You can send the file two ways. One is by sending the code to the receiver, which is valid for 10 minutes, and by sending the link via WhatsApp, SMS or other means is valid for 48 hours. And if you are sending by code, you don't have to register the app. You will have to register the app if you want to send a link. So now we will select the file to send to another device. Inform the code or share the link with the receiver. Receiver will have to enter the 6-digit key code in the app and click on Receive. Once the communication is established, it will start transferring the file. The transfer will take place depending on internet speed on both ends of the device. As this transfer is taking place real time, the file won't be saved on a server.
A few moments later.
Once the transfer ends, the event stops. No one else with the key code will be able to receive the file. The receiver may sometimes observe a failed transfer, maybe because the sender does not have the proper internet coverage. So try again and inform the sender to keep the device online and to not move or delete the file in the device. So the transfer has been done. You can test the video file and confirm the sender about the successful transfer. It's safe and easy. Next, we will transfer the file from an Android device to a Windows machine. Just open any browser, type in sendanywhere.com. When the page gets loaded, type in the key code in the receive box and click on receive. Once the communication is established, it will start downloading the file in real time between the Android device and your computer.
A few moments later.
If you are sending multiple files, it will be downloaded, compressed in a zip format, and you don't want that to happen with your video file. This app is compatible with all kinds of operating systems. You can also use a Chrome extension at your home or at your workplace to efficiently make use of this application. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, do like and share the video. If you have any queries or feedback, do comment and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.